If you're handing your kid your old laptop and hoping it holds up, it's time for an upgrade. A good kid's laptop should be safe, durable, and ready for both school and screen time. But with so many options out there, picking the right one can feel overwhelming. We're talking everything from homework-ready Chromebooks to powerful Windows machines that grow with your child. So we did the digging for you, compared and narrowed it down. And as always, links to the latest deals on everything we mention are right below. Let's get into it. Number 5. HP Pavilion 15. Best Kids Laptop for Larger Screen. If your child needs a laptop that can juggle schoolwork, streaming, and maybe a little Minecraft on the side, the HP Pavilion 15 is a serious contender. This one stands out with a spacious 15.6-inch Full HD touchscreen. It's the largest screen on our list, and it makes multitasking a breeze. Your kid can research on one half of the screen and type out that essay on the other. No alt-tabbing chaos here. The display is vibrant with thin bezels, which makes it feel even bigger. And whether it's for homework or weekend binge watching, it handles both like a champ. We especially like the keyboard layout, well-spaced keys, a responsive trackpad, and yes, even a number pad. That's a rare find and super useful for math and spreadsheets. It comes with a built-in fingerprint reader, which adds an extra layer of protection and makes logging in fast and simple. Charging is quick too, from 0 to 50% in under an hour. And while it comes with Windows 10 pre-installed, you can upgrade to Windows 11 for free. Now, because it's a full Windows laptop, it offers more freedom, and with that comes more responsibility. We'd recommend the Pavilion 15 for older kids or teens who can navigate a more open system safely. It's not the lightest or most travel-friendly option, and the battery life is just okay. But if your child needs a solid, full-featured laptop for school and beyond, the Pavilion 15 gets the job done. Number 4. Lenovo IdeaPad Duet 3. Best 2-in-1 Chromebook for kids. If your kid needs something lightweight, flexible, and school-friendly without breaking the bank, the Lenovo IdeaPad Duet 3 hits the sweet spot. This Chromebook 2-in-1 brings serious Surface Go vibes, but without the premium price tag. It's a tablet-laptop hybrid that runs on Chrome OS, making it perfect for homework, web browsing, and everything Google-based. And here's a big plus: the detachable keyboard and stylus included in the box. No extra purchases required. The Duet 3 is incredibly light, easy for kids to toss in a backpack and carry around all day without feeling weighed down. Need to type an essay at school? Use it in laptop mode. Ready to kick back and stream something after? Detach the keyboard and it's instantly a tablet. Yes, it only has one USB-C port, but for a cloud-first Chromebook, that's rarely an issue. All files are synced to your child's Google account in real time, so even if they forget to hit save, their work's already backed up. Battery life clocks in at around 12 hours, which is plenty for school days, homework, and a little downtime after. And of course, you still get Google's excellent parental controls baked in. For the price, portability, and versatility, the IdeaPad Duet 3 is tough to top. It's a budget-friendly Chromebook that doesn't feel like a compromise. Number 3. Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5 iBest Chromebook laptop for kids. Need a laptop that does it all? Schoolwork, creativity, and storage for a growing student? The Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5 might be your answer. This is a true 2-in-1 Chromebook, meaning it flips from laptop to tablet mode in seconds. Whether your kid is writing a report or sketching with the included Lenovo stylus, it adapts on the fly. It stands out with 128 gigabytes of storage, double what many Chromebooks offer, and includes a micro SD slot, making it one of the few models in this range that can easily transfer files from phones or tablets. That's especially handy for kids who love taking pictures or working across devices. Under the hood, it's running an Intel i3 processor, which gives it enough muscle to juggle multiple tabs and apps without slowing down. In short, it keeps up even when your kid doesn't slow down. Security-wise, we appreciate the built-in webcam privacy shutter. Just slide it over when the camera's not in use. It's a simple touch that adds peace of mind. Battery life isn't the longest on our list, but with around 10 hours per charge, it still lasts through the school day and then some. If you're looking for a Chromebook that's fast, flexible, and loaded with storage, the IdeaPad Flex 5 brings big value in a compact package. Number 2. Acer Chromebook Spin 513 Best laptop for kids overall. If you want a Chromebook that walks the line between laptop and tablet without the high price tag, the Acer Spin 513 nails it. This mid-range model is part of Acer's popular Spin series, and it's built for kids who need a reliable device for homework, research, and maybe even a little YouTube after. Its compact design makes it easy to slide into a backpack, and the aluminum build gives it a premium feel, kind of like a mini MacBook. The 360-degree hinge and touchscreen mean your child can flip it into tent mode for videos or tablet mode for casual browsing and reading. It handles everyday tasks like typing, spreadsheets, and web browsing with ease. And with plenty of ports, charging and connecting accessories is simple. The only thing missing? An HDMI port. But for school use, that's rarely a deal breaker. Since it runs Chrome OS, parental controls are baked in. You can set up a child profile, block specific sites, and limit screen time, all from your Google Family Link account. And while you're limited to apps from the Google Play Store, that includes all the school essentials like Docs, Gmail, and Sheets. Battery life is solid, more than enough for a full school day, and the full HD display is sharp and responsive. It's not flashy, but it is dependable, flexible, and kid-friendly. The Acer Chromebook Spin 513 is a great all-around. Number 1. Apple MacBook Air M2 2022, the best MacBook for kids? If you're ready to invest in something long-term for an older child or teen, the Apple MacBook Air with the M2 chip is our top pick. This machine brings serious performance thanks to Apple's blazing fast M2 processor. That means whether your kid is multitasking for school, diving into digital art, or learning to code, this laptop can keep up without breaking a sweat. The 13.6-inch Retina display is bright, sharp, and a joy to look at. Perfect for reading, watching videos, or attending virtual classes. And here's what really stands out. It's lightweight, whisper quiet, and gets up to 18 hours of battery life on a single charge. That's more than enough for even the busiest school day. It also has Touch ID for quick, secure logins, and macOS includes robust parental controls, so you can guide how it's used. The Magic Keyboard is comfortable for long typing sessions, and the large trackpad is super intuitive, especially for kids transitioning from tablets or phones. Yes, it's a premium option and definitely best for older kids who can handle the responsibility, but if you're looking for a future-proof device that can carry them through school and into college, the MacBook Air M2 is an outstanding choice. That wraps it up. Subscribe and stay tuned for more.